Ginnungagap, Gap Ginnunga. Translation Gap, empty place, space. Translation Ginnung, unclear. Possible translation, mighty, magical, or magically charged. Also named Himtusen, the yawning void, the gaping emptiness. Lurking emptiness, waiting for the appearance of power and magic. Thus speaks the Wallsbüll, verse of the Prose Edda, Codex Regius. Of old was the age when Ymir lived. Sea nor cool waves, nor sand there were. Earth had not been, nor heaven above, but a yawning gap and grass nowhere. Translation Henry Adams Bellows. The rift is enclosed by opposing worlds. Niflheimer, dark worlds of mist, lands of cold, full of frost, steam and ice. There flow the 11 rivers of the Valsgaard, which rise from the spring Valgelmir. Valsgaard, collective term for the 11 rivers that flow from the source Valgelmir. Valgelmir, the spring which feeds all rivers with water, and which springs under the tree Yggdrasil. The poisonous waves of Niflheim froze over these icy rivers, and one layer of ice lay on top of the other, all the way to the Ginnungagap, where the warm winds of Muspelheim melted these ice. Muspelheim is on the other side of the gaping void, land of the fiery end, where it's always hot and the fires burn. Both worlds surrounding Ginnungagap, and where fire and ice meet, a mist rises there, dense and omnipresent. When the icy frost and the burning winds interwove, it thawed, hissed and dripped, and the flowing drops were given life by the power of warmth and formed a body. Ymir appeared, also called Örgelmir or Augelmir, the first being the primordial giant. Also arose from the life-giving sparks the cow Auðumla, and 4 milk streams of the hornless nourished Ymir, the father of the Hrimtursen, the frost giants. The Gylfaginning Speaks, poem of the Prose Edda. Just as cold arose out of Niflheim and all terrible things, so also all that looked toward Muspelheim became hot and glowing. But Ginnungagap was as mild as windless air. And when the breath of heat met the rime, so that it melted and dripped, life was quickened from the yeast drops by the power of that which sent the heat and became a man's form. And that man is called Ymir. Odin and his brothers Vili and Ve throw the slain Ymir into the void of the Ginnungagap, and from his remains they formed the world. Ginnungagap stands for the omnipresent, powerful chaos, into which the Jotnar, the giants, enemies of Aesir and human, seek to throw the worlds. But how it is exactly remains a mystery for now.